In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick step-by-step tutorial of how you can actually earn money online. This is going to be beginner friendly. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial and beginner friendly way. Don't worry, you don't need to create your own product. You don't need to create your own service. You don't need to create your own website. Okay. This is something that is simple, but if you're consistent, definitely it's going to help you earn a good amount of money online. Okay. First of all, we are going to need to have a product or products that we're going to be promoting. More of this about this in a moment. This is going to make sense. What where we can find these products? Well, you can go to ClickBank and you can sign as an affiliate. Is ClickBank for some reason is not available in your area? Don't worry, I got you covered. You can go to the Store 24 or you can go to Commission Junction. Okay, all of these work the same. Okay, all of these work the same. Here I am on ClickBank and I'm going to be developing the tutorial using ClickBank. But remember, you don't need to go with ClickBank. Okay, all of them has offers with different niches. The most profitable niches are the health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, in this case, I'm gonna go with the health niche. On ClickBank, I'm gonna sort it by gravity from high to low. That means that a lot of affiliates are actually getting a commission from it. In depending on the marketplace, you can sort it by popularity. Okay, they have different names. In this case, ClickBank, it's with gravity. For example, we have this product which is the Metoline. Okay, we have the Prodentin, we have the Proftabuy, we have the Glucosex, Nanogano, and Javaborn. I'm gonna be working with the Javaborn because this is a product that I know and I was about to apply this strategy I'm gonna show you. Okay, so you can choose one of different products, but they need to do the same. For example, here, the Java Born, this is basically coffee that is going to be helping people um, increase their metabolism. Okay, they're going to be burning more calories, so it's going to be helping them lose weight while they're enjoying the coffee. Java Born is 100% natural, is vegetarian, non-GMO, gluten-free. They have no filters, no fillers, preservative, artificial colors. You know, here we have different batches that they have, the prices, and all that stuff. Okay, so I can promote this product. I can, I have options. Okay, I can focus 100% of this product, or I can go and I can find the similar products. For example, I can go with Naganotonic. Okay, that it also helps with the lost weight or with the weight loss. Okay, so and the most important thing is that you need to make sure that these are actually, uh, providing a similar benefit or the same benefit. Okay. Why? Because we're going to be creating these kind of articles like the top five, the top 10. In my case, I can go with top five fat burners. Okay. I'm going to give you options here. Okay. First, you can go to Fiverr and you can find someone who is going to be writing the article for you. For example, put it here, articles. And I have, for example, this lady, she will write 30 SEO articles, okay, for 250. But if we scroll down, we're going to have more options. For example, we have this one, who is going to do it for 20. We have this other person who is going to do it for $10. This other person who is going to do it for $5. Okay. So we can ask them to do the job. That's option number one. Okay. You can also go to Google and you can find some ideas. For example, here I have like the top five burners. I have even an article about the top 10 for burners. Okay. Here I have another top 10, top five. Okay. Okay. This is the very first type of article that you can write, or you can hire someone to write, or another option that I'm going to show you in a moment. Okay. Here, for example, we have the 7 best 5 partners. Okay. These are all from the same company. Okay. These are going to be your affiliate links. Where do you get your affiliate links? You can get them where you click here where it says promote. Okay. Um, you're going to see that we have a video. Yeah, this is not necessary. I'm going to show you different ways you can do this. We have the pros and cons. We have the ingredients and a brief explanation about the product with images. The same with the other products that this company has. We have another simple option, which is this one. Okay. You're going to notice that this one is pretty plain, but here we have the same. Okay. These are going to be your affiliate links. Okay. Here we have the benefits of the product, a little explanation about the products, the ingredients, okay, the pricing, and final thoughts. The same goes with the others. You can see that this one is super simple. There is no image on this one. There is no video and image, but I want you to have, the idea of what you can actually go and promote. Okay. So another way you can do this is that you can go with tools such as ChatGPT, and nowadays you can use DeepSeek. All of them work the same, and you can ask them like, hey, I want you to rewrite this article. Okay, this is what I want. I want you to rewrite this article, or write me a 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 word articles about these products. ChatGPT is going to do it for you. Okay, you're going to ask it like, hey, I want the ingredients to be listed. I want the benefits to be listed. I want a little introduction. Okay, and please make sure or understand that I'm going to be doing this because I want to recommend these products. Okay, I'm going to be putting my link. So ChatGPT is going to give you CTA, call to actions. Now, you have your products. We need to publish these products. What we can do, you can go to Fiverr and you can type featured articles. You're going to have people who are going to be doing this for you for a price. Okay. They're going to be doing this for you and they're going to be doing it for a price. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. And remember, I don't want you guys to miss a video. If you want to know what's my #1 recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay, so how you can do this, because I'm going to be giving you options. You can go to a website such as medium.com. You can open a free account and you can put your article here. You can go to Vocal Media, or it's vocal.media, and you can also put your article here. Also, you can go to Substack, okay, and you can put the article here. There are tons of these kind of websites in which you can literally put the article, okay, so people can, read it and they can make a decision about which product they're going to purchase, and you're going to be earning a commission, okay? If you want to really get results with this, first of all, you need to understand the strategy. Second of all, you need to be consistent with the implementation, okay? This is going to be like a snowball effect. The more articles you have it there, by the way, you can do this strategy with different niches. Remember, this is just an example with the health niche, but you can do this in different niches. If you want to learn more about making money online, check the very next video that is going to be showing up on your screen.